the brilliant trick that will change the way you cook pork ribs. For this recipe, we'll need 800 grams of pork ribs. I'll start by cutting them like this. Once done, I'll place them in this bowl. Then add 4 cups of beer and let them soak for 30 minutes. Now, in a pan, I'll add 2 tablespoons of butter, let it melt, and then add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'll coat the ribs in wheat flour and then place them in the pan. We'll fry them on both sides. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Yvonne George from Cardiff, Wales. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Tell me how you prepare pork ribs at home. I'd love to know your recipe. Once fried, I'll remove them from the pan and set them aside. Now, in the same pan, I'll add 2 sliced onions, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of fine herbs, and mix everything. I'll place the pork ribs back into the pan on top of the onions. Next, I'll add thyme to taste, 1 cup of beer, cover the pan, and cook for 20 minutes. After this time, I'll remove the lid, add half a cup of tomato sauce, and stir. Finally, chives to taste, cover, and let it cook for another 20 minutes. After making pork ribs this way, I'm sure you won't want to cook them any other way, and it will become your favorite recipe. Look at this deliciousness! Go ahead and make it too!